Obsessed with Korean lip tints? So here are some of the affordable alternatives which you need to try. Hello my lovely cuties, welcome to my channel, that girl Zara. So today's video will be all about best budget-friendly alternatives to the Korean lip tints. They are literally so best. They perform exactly the same like Korean lip tints like Etude House and Roman but in a budget. Here are those products which I will gonna share in this video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So let's just start with this Inside Cosmetics No Smudge Lip Color. It retails for rupees 257. If I talk about the formula is creamy, moussey and velvety. It gives like a soft blurry finish, and the best part, it's transfer proof. I picked out the shade called Palm Beach, which is one of their best seller. It has this doe foot applicator, and this is how the shade looks like. It's pink nude shade. Next I have this Mars Cosmetics Lip Drip Lip Mist, which is kind of similar to the Roman tint. It retails for rupees 290. It's glossy and leaves a very good stain too. It has this doe foot applicator. It's highly pigmented, so if you have pigmented lips, it will gonna work on you too. I picked out the shade called Mulberry Dip. This is how the shade looks like. It's buildable, so you can build it as per your like preference. And one thing I must say about this tint, that it's a better option than my Roman Juicy Lasting tint. I have been using this tint from months. I have been obsessed with it, but this one is way more long lasting than this. See, if I wipe it up, it leaves a very good tint which looks so beautiful. It's a very good product from my side. Next, I have this Mars Cosmetics Matte Muse Mousse Lipstick, which is going viral on all over the internet. And it's also an alternative to Romance Zero Velvet Tint. It retails for rupees 299. If I talk about the formula is smooth and highly pigmented. It gives blurry, soft blurry, pouty lips. This is how the wand looks like. It's very precise. This is how the shade looks like. The shade I have picked out is called Style Icon. It's a true nude brown shade, or you can see a brown shade for fair to medium skin tone. The wand is so precise, which makes the application very easy. I just love this lip tint so much that I end up buying more shades from this. I've swatched more shades in my previous video, so do check that out after watching this video. I have Roman Zero Velvet tint with me too. So here is the side by side swatch for you, so you guys can have an idea that how that exactly looks. I found the Mars one more blurry and feels comfortable. However, the Roman one also feels comfortable, but Mars one is more budget friendly, and as per the price point, it's top notch. Next, I have this Inside Cosmetics Smudge Free Lip Matte. It retains for rupees 190, and the best part about this lip tint is this wand. It's very unique doe foot applicator, which I literally enjoy using it. It's so flexible and feels very smooth and good. It takes a very good amount of product too, which makes it like best choice. The shade I have picked out is called Winter Blues. It's a reddish nude shade which will gonna suit all Indian skin tone. It's highly pigmented, and the best part that it's transfer proof too. It has a beautiful, comfortable, muddy, moussey formula. Moving ahead with the last product of this video, which is called Mars Cosmetics Loud Track Velvet Lip Tint. It retails for rupees 290. It's highly pigmented and a budget-friendly alternative to Etude House Fixing Tint. Gives velvety finish to the lips. The shade I have picked out is called Four Letters, which is a mauvey plum shade. If I compare it with my Etude House Fixing Tint, the feel is exactly the same. It's lightweight and velvety. So here is side by side swatch of both of them, so you guys can have an idea that how they actually looks. This one is from Etude House, this one is from Mars. In terms of finish, they are exactly the same. I can see that it's a best alternative to Etude House Fix and Tint in a budget. And yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe my channel to watch more such videos, and link will be mentioned in the description box, so do check it out if you want to shop any. Bye bye, see you in my next video.